R for Rabbit brings you the Lactella Bliss, the wearable electric breast pump designed to make every mom's life a little lighter and a lot more blissful. Inside your Lactella Bliss box, you'll find everything you need to get started. Pump motor, milk container 160 milliliters, silicone shield 24 millimeters, silicone shield cover, silicone diaphragm cover, duckbill valve, Type-C USB cable, bra strap for secure hands-free use. Additional flange sizes of 21 mm and 24 mm are available to ensure a comfortable fit, and a user manual to guide you through every step. Assembling your Lactella Bliss is quick and easy. Step 1. Insert the duckbill valve into the bottom of the silicone shield. Ensure it fits snugly to allow smooth milk flow. Step 2. Align the slot on the silicone shield with the slot on the milk container. Press the edges gently but firmly to attach. Step 3. Attach the silicone diaphragm to the diaphragm cover. This helps create an airtight seal for effective suction. Step 4. Insert the assembled diaphragm cover into the milk container as shown. Push it down evenly, not crooked, so it sits flat and secure. Step 5. Finally, place the pump motor on top of the milk container and ensure it's firmly attached. Your Lactella Bliss is now ready for use. Here's how to use it. Press and hold the power button to turn on the pump. Use the mode button to switch between 4 intelligent modes. It has 4 modes. Massage mode. Gently stimulates milk letdown. Stimulation mode. Mimics baby's natural rhythm to boost flow. Expression mode. Provides steady, effective milk extraction. Automatic mode. Combines massage and expression cycles seamlessly. Each mode is crafted to support your body's natural rhythm and help maintain milk supply comfortably. Adjust suction intensity using the plus and minus buttons. You can select from 9 comfortable levels to suit your preference. The LED display indicates your selected mode and suction level. For safety and convenience, the pump automatically shuts off after 30 minutes of continuous use. Pour the expressed milk using the pouring spout into a sterilized bottle or storage bag. It's effortless, hygienic, and spill-free. The anti-backflow system keeps milk pure and contamination-free. And with Type-C USB charging and a rechargeable lithium battery, it's always ready, anytime, anywhere. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone and PP material, Lactella Bliss ensures every drop of milk remains safe and pure. Each part can be easily disassembled and cleaned, maintaining hygiene and convenience for every use. The ergonomic semi-circular design is ultra-thin and gives a snug fit. And with quiet operation, hands-free design, it's perfect for discreet use under clothing. Pump inside your bra, no tubes, no cords, and no stress. Compact and travel-friendly, it is lightweight enough to carry wherever motherhood takes you. Thoughtfully designed for today's multitasking moms, R for Rabbit, the Lactella Bliss makes every pumping session efficient, hygienic, and truly comfortable.
R for Rabbit, the amazing baby company.